Hi friend, good morning. The friend, my name is Roshan and welcome to all of you my YouTube channel. The friend, this video is very important. So I request to you, if you are watching this video, so you can watch this full video. Then only you'll be able to understand what I am saying about this video. So first of all, maybe lots of people in this world, they know how to give and how to take. I can say that 99% people are always focused in taking, not the giving. So my dear friend, if you are focused always taking, not giving, so I can say you cannot deserve to better life. What else is, if I compare to other people, I can say successful and richest people in this world, they always focus on giving, not the taking. It does not matter how much money do you have, and it does not matter which place are you belong to in this country. The matter is only the one you are focused. If you are focused on taking only, so I can say the universe they not give you any chance to grow your life. So if you want to grow your life, so first of all you can start to giving other person, whether you are helped about money or whether you are helped about income. Thank you.